Let's make Soursop Ponche de Creme. And today's episode is being sponsored by Alston's Marketing Company with brands such as Frank Sauces, Bragg, Target Corned Beef, Lucima Pasta, Squeezy, French's, Caribbean Dreams, Naturally Almond, and Presidente Butter. So let me show you how easy it is to make this vegan drink. To start this recipe, I'm going to be using Naturally Almond Sweetened Vanilla milk. You can use the unsweetened if you're diabetic and you're trying to control the amount of sugar. This has just the right amount of sugar for this recipe. And of course, if you wanted to make it sweeter, you can by using coconut condensed milk. In goes 1.5 cups or 2 cups of soursop puree. And you can buy the one that's in the freezer section in your supermarket. A few dashes of angostura bitters, half a cup of coconut rum like Malibu, something that's sweeter, and I'm going to go in with half a cup of white rum, some pumpkin spice just to add some warmth to this, and grated nutmeg. And as you all know, I like to use freshly grated nutmeg. Now I'm going to go in with some vanilla. And then cover and blend. Once it's nice and smooth, pour it into another jug. I'm going to add some more flavorings to this, but you don't want to overpower the soursop, but we have to add enough to enhance it. 1 bay leaf crumpled. It's going to add a really nice flavor. If you do not have the bay leaf, just omit it, because this is a ciliment leaf that you get in the Caribbean or from Trinidad. 1 cinnamon stick and 1 star anise, and I'm going to give that a mix. Now you can taste and adjust your sugar content here, and then once it's chilled, we're going to go ahead and pour it over ice to enjoy. A simple, easy vegan ponche de creme recipe. If you didn't like pumpkin, give this one a try. It is sure to please. Try it, comment down below, and let me know what you think.